Let's learn about compound vowels. Do you know what compound vowels are? It's a combination of two vowels. As you can see, vowels can combine to create new sounds. Once you know the basic vowels, it's so much easier to learn the compound vowels. Can you guess how these are grouped? I divide the compound vowels based on three things: similar sounds, starting vowels, and unit one. Don't worry, I will break it down for you step by step. Let's start. When A meets E, it becomes E. A, E, E. E, as in cat, or just like the first sound of H. E. When O meets E, it becomes E. O, E, E. E, as in bed, or just like a che, air. E. When Ya combines with E, it becomes Ye. Ya, E, Ye. Imagine a firefighter climbing the Ye-shaped ladder to put out a fire. You will shout, Ye. When Ya combines with E, it becomes Ye. Ya, E, Ye. When the ballerina succeeds in a difficult pose shaped like Ye, we all shout, Yes. It also sounds like the beginning of yellow. When U combines with A, it becomes Wa. U, A, Wa. Pronounce it like a start of Y. Wa. When U combines with E, it becomes We. U, E, We. To remember We, just think way. We. When U combines with E, it becomes We. U, E, We. We looks like a microscope. When you discover something through it, you shout, wait. That's the we sound. Wait, we. When U combines with O, it becomes wa. U, O, wa. Like the wa sound you hear in wonder or woman. When U combines with E, it becomes we. U, E, we. It sounds like the we in wedding or Wednesday. When U combines with E, it becomes we. U, E, we. We sounds like the we in we or sweet. When U combines with E, it becomes ri. U, E, ri. Ri doesn't have an exact match in English, but you can think of it like a U sound in queen or between. That's all for today. We'll practice the pronunciation in the next video. Don't miss it to improve your Korean. Bye bye.